Hey everybody, this is Mike Trailer from Drone Sense. So we're going to talk today about notifications and our weekly roll-up. Well, to get that, we want to go into our admin tab right here. So once we're ready to do that, we're going to click on it. Click on admin. And then we're going to go over to notifications right here. Alright, from here we can set up our weekly roll-up. We can edit details. We can have this set up on weekly, daily, send it out on what days of the week we want to have it sent out, if we want it sent that way. We can send up notification if we have any UAS operations, include supervisor, exclude supervisors, set it up and roll up, however we want to do it. And we can send it to the creator. That's up to us. We can also come in and turn on our training updates. So for this one, I have it set up, and this is my PD account. So 4 weeks before the training expires, I want to get a notification. I've got that set up here. Now, we can set it up for 4 weeks or days. I think the max is 5 weeks beforehand. And I've got it set up for 4 weeks afterward. I've got this where to include the supervisor or the individual. I can turn that off. I can also send an instant email or include it in the roll-up. So I want the instant email because I want that notification to go out to the individual. Go ahead and hit save there. You can also do the same thing with maintenance. I don't currently have anything set for maintenance in here because the way our maintenance is set up, it goes to the individual. But I can set that to send any reminders that I need to in the roll-up as well. So if I want to send up maintenance, I can go and pick up my chief pilot there, which is Keith Bell, within my organization, and let him know about any maintenance issues. So we'll send up a weekly roll-up for him. I'm sure he'll love me for that one. Let's go down to any incidents. Right now I've got me set up as the sole notification for incidents because I am the unit manager. So I've got that set up in here to where I get the notifications in my roll-up. Another one I like a lot for us is idle batteries. Now, my team is kind of small, but if you have a larger team, what you could set up is in the roll-up to send this to an individual. Again, I'm going to pick on Keith again because he's not here to stop me. And we could send that notification. So any batteries that have been idle for 5 days, we'll send a notification because what we want to do is make sure we're taking care of the batteries and they're getting utilized as we need to. So if you've got a pilot out there using batteries 1, 2, and 4, 3's not getting used, we want to get that notification and let the individual know, hey, let's even out that wear and tear. And we also set up if there's any changes in teams and roles. That's pretty much the roll-up emails in a nutshell. Like I said, I've got it set to send out on a Thursday. It's up to your agency policy and procedures what you do, and if you even want this. Some folks don't want an additional email, and that's completely okay. But just check it out and let me know what you guys think, and I hope you have a great day.